All right, so we have to swap the... Shut the fuck up, you fucking annoying cunt. Okay, so we have to... All right, we're back at the shop. It's gonna be a little bit fucky of a day. Joe is filming, so are we doing... Do you want me to edit that and put it on our channel, or do you want to... Yeah. You'll have like two perspectives, so we gotta take out that engine and put that in the blue car, and the blue car's engine in Joe's car. You'll have this perspective of Joe doing the right thing and knowing what the fuck he's doing. And you'll have my perspective of working on this and not having a fucking clue what's going on. But it's not that bad. It's just like with like 4 years on that setup, like there's a little bit of sketchy maintenance and sketchy fix. Should be quite straightforward. It's an easy car to work on, just that there's like wires going everywhere. We're completely redoing that car. Hopefully shaving some weight, what Colby should do as well. So we're gonna anyways. Oh well, this so this is getting fully stripped out. We're redoing the whole wiring, thanks to NAPA Canada.
Why are you not filming?
Actually, I am.
Which route?
So what's our issue?
Train smells like shit.
Fuck you!
Alright, so front clip is fully off. I haven't been keeping up that much with videos, but Big Bad Colby is up there with the camera here and there, so... But anyway, we got the whole front fascia off. It's gonna be easier to take the engine off. Joe is struggling there, but he's not a very good mechanic, so that's fine. So we'll,
Already pulling the motor out, my guy.
You started 2 hours before me! I was not expecting that at all. What the fuck? A quick little shop update. We've been pretty much flat out the past couple of days, so we didn't film that much. But the one JZ is in the blue E46. Josiah's engine is in the NAPA E46. We're just cleaning the engine bay. We're shaving down some little studs all around, and we're gonna be base coating it. So Ophir wants to repaint this whole engine bay, so we're gonna get that going. So I'm gonna finish shaving it and putting the base coat on, and then we're gonna be able to order the paint. We got the metallizer here. Yeah, just trying to get it ready for Ophir whenever he comes back, so we can put the 2J in. So it's gonna be a crazy few months. All right, so a few more days have passed again, and we have encountered another problem. And the problem is that Ophir thinks he can't paint shit, which he actually realized that he can't. Right now, I'm just cleaning all the paint that he already had, and we're gonna be redoing it fully. It was kind of sad to see him the face of defeat whenever he finished painting. A couple more man hours, and we're gonna get that fucking car fully cleaned up. Alright, so Ophir said he wanted something very, very flashy, so we gave him a cone flaming orange fucking engine bay. That's the color we picked. I'll show you right now. So, it's like oil stain kind of finish. It is very, very bright. It fits with the livery. That color is actually the same as the orange accent and the livery, so it fits perfectly with that, and that's what Ophir wanted. So right now we're just finishing the engine bay. Started wiring a little bit everything for the headlights. Got to cover this with rubber so there's no sharp edges. All the sharp edges are all covered with nice rubber, so you don't cut yourself. We're just gonna start tinkering a little bit in the engine bay, make it look a little bit prettier. But next time we're gonna start ripping into the interior wiring, because we gotta strip this whole car and make it brand new basically. So we're gonna rip every wires that we see, rewire the whole thing. So already got started, but that's gonna be for the next episode. So if you enjoy, please like and subscribe, and we're gonna see you in the next episode.